Vehant Technologies is a leader in developing artificial intelligence and machine learning-based security screening and smart city solutions. As part of the Smart and Safe City Solutions vertical, Vehant now launches the first Made in India 4D imaging radar-based traffic violation detection system with HD technology designed for the measurement of spot and average speed on roads and highways. The system can also be used for classification of vehicles for traffic management and traffic sensors proposals. Unlike the older video-based detection systems which worked on the speed, time, distance concept, the modern radar-based detection system works on the principle of the Doppler effect. High-frequency radio waves are transmitted continuously, and the frequency of the reflected waves are measured with precision in order to map the surrounding. The system, that can track up to 256 objects for about a range of 300 meters at any given time, and provide metrics on vehicle count, vehicle speed, classification, queue length and more. Combined with the video-based surveillance, TrafficMon can automatically record the number plate of the vehicles that violate the speed limit. The system can cover up to 4 lanes, can detect speeds up to 320 km per hour, can collect data in low light conditions during fog and snow, and even at extreme temperatures. The system measures in Cartesian XYZ coordinates, azimuth, elevation and speed. Vehant's TrafficMon system is currently deployed in major cities across India and would be a great addition to your city's surveillance architecture. Vehant Technologies, inspired and driven by the vision of creating a smarter and secure tomorrow.